What would you do if you heard a cry for help and no one else noticed? A gentle dog heard one, faint, shaky, desperate. Behind a dumpster was a tiny kitten, shivering and too weak to move. The dog nudged it softly, then tucked the kitten into his fur to warm it. Step by step, he carried the kitten home. His owners were shocked, but they nurtured the kitten, fed it, healed it. Soon the kitten followed the dog everywhere, copying his steps like a little shadow. A family born through kindness. Love isn't always from blood, sometimes it's from compassion.